morning, guys. We have started off today's vlog in the hotel room. Boys, the hotel room is pretty nice here. It's really good. Now, I am in the middle of editing a video, and while I was doing that, I heard a noise outside. So I went out, about to go outside, and as you guys can see, if you guys can see that red cut in it, that's a Ferrari 488 GTB. A really, really nice car. Now, I'm going to try and head down there and see the car because it's in valet parking after I finish editing this video, well, before I go down to the pool. I went outside with the camera and it keeps fogging up because it's so cold in this room. Watch this. As soon as I step outside, watch this, about to step outside. And look how quick the camera will fog up. It's just straight away. It won't even let me get like, what the hell? I figured out a trick. What I had to do is leave the camera out, like on the balcony for like 5 minutes just so I can adjust because it's so cold here on the camera, it always fogs up. Now we're just walking over to where the Ferrari is. And there's also a G-Wagon pulled up, a 4x4 AMG G-Wagon, but first we've got to check out this Ferrari, boy. This hotel's freaking huge and I'm sweating. Like, this is in valet right now, boys. Look at this Ferrari right now, boys. This Ferrari is so clean. It's a freaking animal. You can even like see how hot you can smell how hot it is because it's just, boys, this thing's a freaking beast. I need a quick thumbnail. Wait, just stand there. Just before I go, I just want to show you guys that also I have the Ferrari, obviously, like I showed you guys. They also have an Escalade right there, which is awesome, and a Range Rover. And if we can get over there, they also have a G-Wagon. I showed you guys before, I think. G63, boys, AMG, as you guys can see. Another nice car right here. Another sweet car. This hotel's providing all the cars for us today. This car is freaking amazing car. It's like a $300,000 car. The other ones are like a $400,000, $500,000 car. Before I walked away, I wanted to quickly see this GTS, Cayenne GTS. It is freaking, it's just 3 cars right here. In just a matter of like 10 minutes, I've pulled up and they're all nice cars. That number plate, 28, that is an expensive number plate right there. Number plate is so expensive. The Ferrari's got a bigger number plate on it, which means it's probably a rented Ferrari. I don't think that the people that got out of it, they're taking photos, so I don't think they actually own it. But still, that Ferrari is freaking sick. Alright, we are about to head off to the pool. My video is finally uploading. A lot of the time, I never know how to finish off this part of the vlog. Well, not finish off, but transition. Anyway, let's go. Yo, alright, we've just made it down to the pool. There's the beach down there. First we're gonna go down to the beach, check it out. Apparently it's really hot in the water there, so I'm gonna check that out. Got the GoPro with me as well, so I can get the GoPro in the water for once. I haven't used it at all this trip, so just made it out of the beach. My camera, I couldn't even record. I was about to vlog before I got into the beach, but my inside of the lens had fogged up. Like, I couldn't fix it. So I think I got a bit of a recording, you'll see. But now, I'm about to hop back into the beach. GoPro froze up as well, so I'm gonna try to get the shot that I wanted to get again. And then yeah, but the beach is at 32 degrees, so you hop in there and it's like a spa. I kid you not, it's like a spa, exactly the same. It's not even like a refreshment at all. It's like 43 out here now. As you guys can see, if you guys can see that, I don't know if you can. It's 41 right now, I thought it was 43. 41 right now, and the sea temperature is 32, so it's actually just boiling constantly. It costs 700 dirhams to get a jet ski for double, which is approximately $240 for half an, like, I could actually probably buy one for $240, so you know what, I'm not gonna do that. My eyes are so sore, my face is sweaty, as you guys can follow. If you can't see, then you can't see, but if you can see, that's all sweat. That's not even like water. I haven't been in the pool for like half an hour and I'm dying out here. But it's good, because like you dry off in like 2 seconds, and then the bad part is you just get sweaty within like the next 10 after that. So for now, boys, we are heading back to the room. This view, boys, that view, you just can't get sick of it. Look how nice that view is. At night, it's even better. But because it's summer, like I said yesterday, there's a lot of like haze in the air and you can't really see the thing as clear. Look, you can't really see that building as clear as it should be. But it's like 41 out here, like still, and I'm dying. So I'm gonna head back to the room, maybe go past the gym, check it out. Yeah, and then tonight we'll be heading out to the mall again and go more shopping, more food. But we're going off to the bus now, the free shuttle bus. We go to the mall, get some dinner. I'm not even eating lunch. Don't eat lunch, boys. Don't worry about lunch. Get some lunch. Went to the gym, had a shower. Now we're going to the mall, eat some food. I'm starving. My eyes are freaking killing me. We're at the food court right now. About to get some food. I'm starving. But all my eyes are freaking just stinging. I don't know why. Oh my god. Anyway, about to get some food in my system. Healthy meal. Even healthier meal. Alright, we've just come down to this area, so we'll be up here parking here. I was looking for expensive cars. There's like 2 Mercedes there, 3. But they're not really like, I want a supercar. I want some more Lamborghini. I want a Ferrari. Lamborghinis like we saw today. We saw Ferraris today, but you know what I mean. There's nothing there, so we're gonna head back into the mall and wait for the bus to come so we can go back to the hotel. We've got like, I think like 6, 7 donuts, 8 donuts, I don't know, something like that. I don't know. I want to eat them when we go to the room. It's air conditioned out here, it's freaking boiling right now. So we go inside and wait. Sorry, starting to sweat. Alright, let's get back inside. I quickly wanted to say that we just made it back from the mall, and we head outside quickly and check out, see if there's any nice cars out there, because if there is, we'll put it on the vlog. But apart from that, we just got back from the mall, and before I went to end the vlog, there's another Mustang. Oh, there's a Mustang here, I haven't seen it yet. Really nice Mustang. Oh, there's a Mercedes leaving as well. Nice Mustang. I don't know if you guys can see good in the light, but there's some nice cars here today. This valet service is not bad. It's pretty dirty. Clean your Mustang. Apart from that, there's a Porsche as well that's over here. What the hell? There's a Porsche over there as well. But apart from that, there's nothing else. So I'm gonna say, I'm gonna wrap the vlog up. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap the vlog up here. I'm gonna say good night. Thanks for watching. If you guys have enjoyed today's vlog, make sure to smash the thumbs up button. I'm gonna go upstairs and finish some donuts off, watch a movie, edit some more vlogs. And yeah, if you guys did enjoy the Ferrari today, the G-Wagon, the Porsche, another Porsche now, the Mustang, smash thumbs up on for those as well, because I'm gonna hopefully try to bring more of those tomorrow. And we're gonna do one more that's like secret areas where people have nice cars and that kind of stuff. So if we can check that out tomorrow, we'll hopefully see some more supercars. Apart from that, smash the thumbs up button if you enjoyed, subscribe for more daily vlogs. I'll catch you guys tomorrow for another vlog. Peace.